How to change YouTube TV language. You can change the language settings on YouTube TV for a more personalized experience. Here's how you can do it on different devices. 1. Change language on the YouTube TV website, computer. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the YouTube TV website and log in with your Google account. Step 2. Open settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Change language. Under the General tab, find the Language section. Click on the Language option and select your desired language from the drop-down list. Once selected, the language will automatically change. 2. Change language on YouTube TV mobile app, iOS/Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Step 3. Change language. Scroll down to the Language option. Tap on it and select your preferred language from the available options. The app will immediately change the language. 3. Change language for subtitles or closed captions CC. Step 1. While watching content. Click on the Settings icon, gear icon, in the video player. Step 2. Select Subtitles/CC. From the menu, select Subtitles or Closed Captions CC. Step 3. Choose language. Select your preferred language for subtitles or captions from the list of available languages. With these steps, you can easily adjust the language settings for both interface language and subtitles/captions on YouTube TV,